Hello, publisher. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a new and powerful traffic monetization platform, Monetag. Monetag is a top-tier traffic monetization solution that allows you to earn solid revenue from your traffic, whether it's coming from a website or a social media platform. The best part? It works great with traffic from any country, making it perfect for global audiences. Monetag offers a variety of powerful ad formats to help you monetize your traffic effectively. These include pop-under, pop ads, push notifications, vignette banners, in-page push, interstitial ads, and smart link, direct link. Choose the format that fits your traffic type, audience experience, and platform, whether it's a website or social channel, and start maximizing your earnings with Monetag. Let's get started by registering. Simply click on Sign Up, and you'll have two easy options to create your account. Sign up with your email or continue with Google. Choose the option that works best for you and get started on your journey with Monetag. When signing up, make sure to choose the correct account type, whether it's an individual account or a company account. After that, simply fill out the registration form. It's crucial to provide accurate, real information during registration. Failing to do so could prevent you from withdrawing your earned funds later, so double-check your details to ensure a smooth experience with Monetag. The Contacts section is optional, but it's recommended to fill it out for easier communication with your account manager. In the Monetize section, you'll need to choose your traffic source, whether it's from a website, social media, or Telegram mini apps. If you're looking to monetize your website, simply paste your website's domain in the provided field. Take a moment to carefully complete this form or Q&A. Tell us where you heard about Monetag. If you discovered Monetag through my channel, feel free to mention my channel name. What other ad networks are you currently working with? If you're working with any other ad networks or have previously used them, please mention the platforms or networks you're currently active on. Which types of traffic would you like to monetize? Whether you're looking to monetize website traffic, social media traffic, or other sources of traffic that you have, this will help Monetag team to understand your needs and offer the best solutions. At the end of the form, make sure to fully accept the terms and conditions, confirm that you're not a robot, and then click Sign Up to complete your registration. After submitting the form, you'll be redirected to an account activation page. To activate your account, simply open the email you used during registration and click on the Verify Your Account link provided. To complete your registration, you'll need to create a strong password and confirm it by entering the same password in the second field. Make sure your password includes a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters, and is at least 8 characters long. This helps ensure your account is secure and allows you to proceed smoothly with the sign-up process. Once you've completed the registration, you'll be directed to your main dashboard, where you can manage all your settings and track your performance. First, let's head over to the Statistics tab. Here, you'll find detailed data on CPM, earnings, impressions by format, countries, and sites. Monetag offers 3 flexible ways to monetize your traffic: through your website, social media platforms, or the Telegram mini app. Each option provides a unique opportunity to maximize earnings based on the platform that best suits your audience and content. Sites tab. In the Sites tab, you have the option to add a website that you'd like to monetize. Simply enter the website link in the provided field, and then proceed with the verification process to confirm ownership of the site. Direct Link tab. The Direct Link tab, also known as Smart Link, is one of the most powerful features available to you as soon as you complete your registration with Monetag. What makes Smart Link unique is that you don't need to verify a website to start using it, so you can dive straight into monetizing your traffic from day one. Another excellent way to boost your earnings with Monetag is through the referral program. With this program, you can easily generate a unique referral link, and every time someone registers using your link, you'll earn a 5% commission on their earnings. This is a great opportunity to maximize your income by simply sharing your link with others. Whether you share it with friends, colleagues, or followers on your platforms, you'll get rewarded whenever they sign up and start monetizing their traffic. The more people you refer, the more you earn. Payment methods. In this section, you can easily manage and set your preferred payment method. Monetag provides a diverse range of payout options designed to offer maximum flexibility and convenience for publishers worldwide. Whether you prefer PayPal, Payoneer, WebMoney, or other region-specific methods, Monetag ensures you have reliable choices to suit your needs. Take a moment to review the available options and select the one that is supported in your country and best fits your financial preferences. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to register with Monetag and start turning your traffic into real earnings. Whether you're a website owner, content creator, or social media publisher, Monetag is ready to help you monetize smarter and earn more. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you'd like to learn about Monetag. Your questions and suggestions help me decide what to cover in the next video in this series. So drop your thoughts, and I'll make sure to include them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.